Scaling a fitness coaching business isn't just about getting more clients or increasing prices. The hardest part about it is the thing nobody warns you about. And if you can't handle it, your business will crash before you even hit 10K a month. Most coaches think hitting 10, 15, and even 20 clients is a dream. But let me tell you, that's where everything starts to break. Your time disappears, your stress skyrockets, and suddenly you're stuck working 14-hour days just to keep up. Over the next few minutes, I'm about to break down how to avoid this common mistake and what I do instead to generate $200,000 plus monthly without the stress, without the burnout, and all the struggle. Because let's be real, the reason you got into this business wasn't to work harder than the average 9-to-5er while still making similar money, was it? No. Why most fitness coaches struggle to scale. You want to help as many people as possible while making good money and enjoying life at the same time. You see, this is the trap most coaches fall into when chasing that dream. When you're under 10 clients, your business feels manageable. You have time for check-ins, adjustments, accountability, and even answering late night texts from clients. But as you start signing more people, 3 huge problems creep in. Client retention drops. You worked so hard to get these clients, but now they're leaving. Why? Because you're stretched too thin. You can't deliver the same value to 20 people as you did for 5. And less attention equals less results. So clients start quitting early or dropping off after the first round. You hit burnout. Every new client should be adding to your income, not your stress. But most coaches keep trading time for money. And by the time they hit 15 to 20 clients, they're running on fumes. So you're drowning in check-ins, constantly adjusting macros, and waking up dreading client messages. I know, because I was there too. Your business becomes a chaotic freaking mess. When you scale without systems, everything gets harder. You have missed check-ins, you have delayed responses, forgotten adjustments. It feels like you're barely holding things together, and clients start to notice. So how do you fix this? How do you grow from 10 clients to 30 plus clients without working yourself into the ground? Here's the blueprint. Step 1 is hire an assistant coach early. Most coaches wait too long to get help. But here's the thing. If you're at 10 plus clients, you should already be looking for an assistant coach to handle the low level tasks. What would they handle? That could be small things like check-ins, accountability messages, macro changing, just answering basic client questions. What you focus on is sales, content, and high-level coaching tweaks. So here's how you do it. Find a junior coach who aligns with your philosophy and fits the vision of the company and culture, and pay them per check-in or on a small retainer. Train them to follow your system so clients get value without draining your time. This is how you double your client base without doubling your workload. Step 2 is switch to a hybrid model. One-on-one coaching doesn't scale well. If every new client equals more time from you, you are in the wrong model. Instead, switch yourself to the group coaching plus personalized check-ins. Here's how it works. Instead of custom macros for every client, you create structured templates based on common goals. Instead of one-to-one calls, you hold weekly group coaching calls. Same effort, 5 times more impact. You still provide personalized check-ins, but now they're structured and scalable while your assistant coach is handling most of the one-to-one attention. The result is more impact, less stress, and a business that actually grows without eating all your time. Step 3, implement a recurring revenue model. Most fitness coaches live and die by new client signups, which means every month feels like you're starting from scratch. Listen, if you don't have a recurring revenue system, you're gonna be playing a hard game, my friend. So here's how to fix it. Have a low ticket membership for anywhere between $97 to $297 a month. For long-term coaching clients, this is a retainer-based coaching. So clients stay on month to month instead of one and done programs. Continuity offers. Once clients finish your program, upsell them into ongoing accountability coaching. This keeps cash flowing in every month so that you're not constantly chasing new clients because your customers are still paying you. If you don't have these 3 things in place, an assistant coach, a scalable model, and recurring revenue, you are going to burn out before you even hit 30K a month. But if you set these up, you'll be running a multiple 6-figure coaching business without working yourself to death. If you want my exact framework for scaling to $30,000 plus per month without burnout, comment the word scale or DM me on Instagram and I'll send it over. All is left for you to do it. Smash that like button, subscribe here to see more. I'm Eric Anthony Klima, and I'll see you on the next one.